Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Technology. Like, share, and subscribe. Function of MDI panel keys. CNC machines need to perform many different operations as needed. Many types of keys have to be used on the computer control panel to perform this type of operation. But it has to use key on the control panel to perform special functions. Any key function on the control panel is different. To operate the CNC, you should know the name of each key and their function. The function of each key on the CNC MDI panel is as follows. Address and numeric keys. Number 1. A to Z address key. This key is used to type the address code into the program. Number 2. Number keys. These keys allow numeric entry. Normally located close to the letter keypad, most CNC controls have number keys positioned. Number 3. EOB key. This key is used when complete the one block with a symbol at the end. Number 4. CAN key. This key is used to cancel the missed code while typing the program. Number 5. Delete key. This key is used to remove the code or block from the program. Number 6. Insert key. This key is used to put the typed code into the program in write mode. Number 7. Alter key. This key is used to replace the other code with the one in the program. Number 8. Shift key. This key is used to hold the lowercase letter on the address key. That is, if we assume that we want the small letter V in the Y tab above the address key, then we have to press Shift plus Y equals V. Number 9. Input tab. This key is used to input the parameter of offset or setting. Number 10. Cursor up/down key. This key is used to move the cursor up and down within the program. Number 11. Page up, down key. If the program is of multiple page, then this key is used to jump to the top or bottom page. Number 12. Reset key. This key is used to clear the alarm when typing a program. Number 13. Message key. This key is used when an alarm arrives. It checks to see which message the system came from. Function keys. Number 1. Control on key. Drive on key. This key is used to turn on the computer MDI panel. Number 2. Control off key. This key is used to turn off the computer MDI panel. Number 3. Emergency stop key. This key is used immediately to prevent machine from damaging the machine if it is misbehaving. Number 4. Program key. This key is used to view the store program or to insert it into the new program system. Number 5. Pause key. Use this key to check the machine's axis position. Number 6. Offset key. Use this key to set offset all types of tool jobs. Number 7. GUNS param number diagnosis parameter. This key is used to change the computer parameters and maintain it. Number 8. System key. This key is used to view files in the system. Number 9. OGraph/GSTM. Use this key to test the program or to test the tool path through a graph. Number 10. OPT stop key or axis stop. If the MO1 code is inserted in the program, then it is kept on mode keys. Number 1. Reference key. This key is used to pass the reference position to all axis. Number 2. Jog. This key is used to run manually axis. Number 3. Edit key. This key is used to editing in program. Number 4. MDI or MDA key manual data input. This key is used for 3-function home position, tool indexing, spindle rotation. Number 5. Incorporated jog key. This key is used to run axis in micron like 1, 10, 100, 1000. Number 6. Automatic key. This key is used to run a program in automatic. Number 7. Mode CNC key. This key is kept on for run machine operation. Number 8. DNC key. This key is used to import programs from outside the computer. Number 9. DRN. Dry run. In this mode, the program executes the commands given in the program rapidly to check. Number 10. SPL key. This key is used to run a program block one by one. Number 11. Z-axis lock key. This key is used if you want to disable access in the program. Number 12. MC lock key. This key is used to close all access. Number 13. O lock key. This key was used to stop the function of the code. Number 14. SPDL spindle on key. This key is used to turn on the spindle. Number 15. SPDL off key. This key is used to turn off the spindle. 16. SPDL deck, incorporated key. This key is used to decrease/increase the spindle speed. Number 17. Feed on off key. This key is used to turn on/off the feed rate. Number 18. Tool declamp key. The key is used to remove the tool in turret. Number 19. Feed override key. This key is used to high and lower the feed rate percentage. Number 20. Cycle start stop key. This key is used to stop the program. Number 11. BDL key. This key is used to delete the block in the program. Number 12. MPG key. Manual pulse generator. In this mode, with the help of a hand wheel, the servo motor operates the axis by manually pulse supply. In this model, the axis can be easily moved to 1 micron.